Is it this time?
I hope so.
Is this time for real? Cause.
Press enter. Nope.
All right. I guess we're using Old Faithful. Alright. First things first is we want to do it on windowed. Just kidding, we don't want to do it on windowed.
I got ice cream, guys.
Guys, she has ice cream. It looks so big, but whatever. Okay, that's fine. We'll deal with it later.
That's what she said.
Well, thank you. And audio we want. Of course, the subtitles on.
Why are like subtitles on?
So we can talk over the game, and anybody who wants to hear the game and not our poopy dialogue can hear the game.
My dialogue is gold.
Is it
Your
gold?
dialogue is not.
I don't know about that.
I definitely know about that.
We'll let the viewers decide with the poll. Oh, that was scary. See how it comes from here.
Whoa! Surround sound.
Surround sound's scary, guys. Don't get it in your teeth in your home. Also, there's no subtitles. How's the cryogenic preparation going to be workful if I talk over it, right? And then they can't hear what they're supposed to do with the cryogenic freezing. Then they're going to have cataract issues, and like it's not going to be no good. Why are you so mean to me? You didn't even set your timer. You just told me to shut up. Unbelievable.
You have been doing the timer this entire time.
This is just a huge mess. This is why we had to initiate the burial sequence, by the way.
You know what? That's why you're dying. You're dead.
Exactly right. That is why you're dying.
Entering stasis. This is 1134.
That was you.
Wow, I sure got blonde pretty quick.
1134?
Oh, that's like how old
Isn't
you
that
are.
Spartan? No, it's 1137. Wait, is it?
I have no idea.
I'm pretty sure it's 1137.
Put it in the comments, please, friends. If you know Halo better than us. Because you probably do. I have the whole Master Chief collection, but Stephanie doesn't like to play with me because I have too much fun. She says, James, why do you run 30 feet in front of me and
I'm probably way better than you.
You yell at me for aggroing all the guys. And then
No, I don't. I don't think we've ever played that game
we
together.
did play it. You didn't have a fun time with me.
When?
When I got it like 2 years ago.
What? When did this happen?
I got an X-Bone. Here we
This
go.
never happened,
I
guys.
have an X-Bone.
Chamber Omega 5 online.
You're fabricating
Initiating
memories.
emergency nanotrace activation.
Must be an after effect of the cryogenic freezings.
1.
I'm just gonna move that.
Are you gonna drink it?
Online.
Nope.
Why aren't you gonna drink it?
Release cryogenic
I'm
chamber
eating
seeds.
ice cream.
You can't mix ice cream and orange.
Internal
It's not even orange juice. It's an energy drink.
Rebooting internal data systems.
This table is not big enough for the both of us. I vote you off the table.
It's hardly big enough for me to fit on the camera. You like it so much.
This is my fucking PC.
Unbelievable.
This is my PC,
Deployed.
and I need it now.
Oh my.
Current position unknown.
Guys, don't
Remote
have any
location beacon
caffeine.
offline.
I need a new Panda. Mine's
Running
broken.
full diagnostic tests. Arc external pressure sensed, fully released. Safe egress is now confirmed. Outer door lock disengaged.
What happened to all your other buddies?
Well, as you'll see,
Initiate pre-recorded
he's a
media
skeleton.
playback.
Ah, what about this one?
he's also a skeleton.
That's probably the most terrible way to die.
Well, they probably don't know. They're dead.
Probably do because their lights were turned off. They were suffocating.
Do you think they even like were suffocating, or do you think they just died in a crash? Because I
think
wonder
they
if they have to go through a special process to even wake up. I mean, I'm sure they must, right?
Probably, but
Beep, 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 boop, boop, pop, pop, pop. If you are sensitive to motion movements, please just
Oh
don't
my-
throw up. Are you gonna throw up your ice cream?
why
Do
didn't
I have
you
to buy you
warn me
more
that
ice
this is
cream?
a scary game?
It's not a scary game. Come on, this is Mad Max. You've seen me play Mad Max.
Why didn't you warn me about this? I always had ice cream come out my nose.
Well, I mean, the viewers gotta subscribe for some reason.
And it's only for me.
Yeah, ice
apparently.
cream that comes out of your nose is very good. It's in right
Hey,
now. It's
safe
hot.
here. Get in. I know you got questions, but we
You
gotta
already
get
have
moving.
gloves and everything.
John Goodman, Doom guy right here. Hi, John Goodman.
Bandits all over these hills.
Is that really him?
Let's get going.
I doubt it, but he sounds
It
just
sounds
like him.
just like him.
That's the Doom guy right there.
Hager, and you are one lucky son of a bitch.
Thank you.
You know, ARC survivors are worth a lot of money to whoever hands them over to the authority.
AKA you.
But
I'm the authorities, or
you
here.
don't even know the authority yet. Well, then I guess you don't know anything about any of this. Welcome to the future.
Thank you, John Goodman. Where is Fred Flintstone in the dinosaur cars?
I actually like that movie.
Good movie.
When I was younger.
It's a
so
controversial opinion. The second one sucked.
good. There was more than one?
The second one, they go to Rock Vegas.
Damn shame you're still
Oh, I remember
wearing
that
that
one.
ARC
Isn't
suit.
Halle Berry in that
It's a
one?
dead giveaway.
Halle Berry.
She tries to seduce Fred Flintstone from his wife.
She could seduce anybody from anyone.
It almost
Pretty
worked
much
too.
their world out here.
A
Probably
dog
looking
from a
for their
fire
buddies. Damn. Now we both got a problem.
Shit.
Run him over.
Oh, you can't. Because that's a bottle cap from Fallout right there.
We need to get to my place. Once they see what I've done, they'll be coming.
Why
for
do we
blood.
trust this guy?
You
And
picked
for
me up.
you.
Must be nice.
You know, like, get in the car. You can't trust anybody. They'll bring you to the authorities for
Well,
lots
like-
of money.
You know, he shot the zombie man. The headshot.
So, you're his meal ticket.
Well, I mean, he got a headshot. He could get a headshot on me. That dude was ravenous.
Here we are. Home sweet home.
Oh, look, guys, it's New Las Vegas. Fallout, New Vegas.
How about Old Vegas?
Fallout 3, Adamtown. What was it called again?
Post in the comments if you're actually a Fallout fan who knows the titles of the games.
We need
I used to know it. Really good.
I never played any of those games. I played maybe one.
If you played any of them, it was 3 or New Vegas.
My title is Vegas.
Mm-hmm. 3
on,
or New Vegas,
this
I
way.
said. I want to drive it. It's got a flaming head on it with a bat. Bat wing. Oh, in case you didn't know where this was. In the garage. His name is Dan Hager. Dan, give me your pistols.
I put a lot at risk to save you.
Why?
Not just my life, but the lives of everyone here. I survived this long by staying out of trouble.
Sounds like you're an
Saving
idiot.
you may have changed all that.
Sounds like you're an idiot.
So here's what I need you to do. Head to where those bandits live and wipe them out, plain and simple. No one walks out alive,
Sounds plain and simple,
except
dog.
you.
Why does he think I'm
You
gonna
can
do
use
that?
one of my ATVs in the garage, and that pistol, and the supplies on the
I
table.
knew he'd give me the pistol.
Oh,
What?
and you won't just get my thanks. Come back. One more thing.
Come
Those
back and I'll
bandits
give you
shouldn't
some
be
armor
too
that fit over
hard
that
to
arc
take
suit.
down.
Cool.
Not for you.
Can you zoom out
I
so
heard
you
there's
look like?
something special about you ARC people.
Just because you make the sound does not mean you actually shoot. Oh my god. You are a child. Clearly, because you don't know how to drive. Are you enjoying yourself?
I mean, am I crashing and having fun with a big smile across my face?
Oh my god.
I think so. This game is already Game of the Year. Rage 1, Game of the Year, 2018. Cool. What does this thing do? You see the floating boy?
I would not want to touch it.
Oh, okay. Alright, boys. Good parking job. Good parking job. Where you at?
You have no questions for this mystery man who just saved you?
Yeah, it's like, how do I kill him faster? Bang, bang, bang. Oh, shift was how, by the way. The game told me.
Look, you don't even know these people.
I mean, I think they're savages. Potentially zombies. Could be either way.
Loot corpses? Okay, I'm down for that. I love to take all the things.
You could get the HIV that way. Be careful.
That is not what I meant.
Oh, I'm just saying, be careful.
Safety first, kids.
Yeah, wear your gloves before you lose anybody.
I'm gonna hate you.
Cease to crouch, by the way. I can't wait till you try to play this game because, like, I have all the instructions and you're busy eating ice cream and you're like, wait, how the heck do you crouch? And I'm gonna be like, bang, you're dead. My turn.
Down there.
You are a terrible shot.
I mean, I hit 10. What? I headshot. Okay, I was like, I definitely even headshotted him. This guy, I don't think I could hit because he was too far away for my pistol.
It's an excuse.
This is paint. Crimson aerosol. We huff it to make more zombies.
Do not encourage people to huff paint.
If you want to become a brainless zombie to fight bandits, or to be a bandit to be hunted, huff aerosol.
I don't condone this message.
Supported and written by Panda.
How many bullets do you have?
I know, right? Hold up.
Oh, looks like you died.
I don't
Game
think so.
over.
I'm near death, actually. They wait for the nose to charge up, then hit E. Oh.
Someone search the body.
Whoa!
That was pretty dope.
Oh! Someone search the body. Why did those guys not die to headshots, by the way?
They're brainless zombies.
Brainless too, because he said somebody needs to loot the corpse. And a ghost card stick dog, man.
Okay, that was paraphrasing, not quoting.
I got a Lothar beer.
You have chocolate on my face?
No.
Do I have chocolate on my face?
Yes.
I can't tell.
I'm gonna carve you a
They'll never find me here. Can you pick up their,
Knives? No. They're covered in blood.
I know.
And AIDS. Didn't you just hear me? It's HIV. You gotta be careful. Come on.
Wear your gloves, kids.
Wear your gloves. I don't got no gloves. Oh, okay.
I'm trying to use your arm to wipe this
Oh,
up.
here I was just thinking you were trying to be cute and hold my hand.
Nope.
Unbelievable.
Can you please clean this up with your arm hair?
Why don't you use the towel on the bed that you left here?
Can you get it?
I'm playing the
I'm
game.
trapped.
I got caught in a trap.
our house. Take him to the kill.
Why did he send the valuable guy? That apparently is super valuable
Good.
to the guys who want to capture him.
Know what's coming.
Well, because he wants to know what's coming.
Do I need to tell him what?
Are you kidding me? I died because of you. How do you save?
Yeah, look, you can save.
Doesn't autosave? What the heck?
I know, that's actually kind of weird.
Worst game 2018.
Cheers.
Ooh, cool orgy pit.
Hmm? That looks like a... Definitely suggests some corpses.
That's orgy pit.
I need to sharpen my blade.
I thought he was gonna say shit.
Intruder!
Why? What is melee? V. Okay, good. Could have told me that earlier. Fucking
Yeah,
idiot.
hiding.
I am hiding.
This music though.
Yeah, it's really low anxiety.
Up, up,
I
up.
see him.
There's 56 your health.
I have no idea. My rounds.
We need help.
How did you speak? You're dead. What is my
You
health?
aim low. Your health is red screen. That's what your health is.
What is my health?
I don't know. It's red screen.
How to heal? Oh, I guess it's healed. Okay. More tutorial, please. Do I escape? I like don't
Right in
even.
the fridge.
Oh, can I?
You didn't destroy it, so it must be useful. Watch your left. Spider monkey! Oh, it's right. Left.
Thanks, coach.
Yep.
What do we got now? What the fuck is that buzzing? Oh, it's just a bone cube. Seriously? How strong are you? Don't
Okay,
ever
so
talk
you
to me
can-
and your family again.
You can riddle them with bullets, but hit them once and they die.
Like, look at him. Blood flying everywhere. I'm not missing. It takes like 8 shots, but I hit him once in the head. and
Alright,
he's
try
dead.
to. I literally just said that. Try to hit him first. Just hit him.
Once. Hitting him's hard, actually.
He's already dead. How many times can you do that charge?
I have no idea.
Because you've already used it like 3-4 times.
Yeah, I think there's a 1 at the bottom there. I don't know if that's like for charges or what.
No, it's something else.
Ooh. Boxing fists.
Those are just different. Really? Watch left, watch left.
I'm crouching.
Okay, so 3 hits.
I know, and he doesn't even notice if you sneak up to him and you hit him 3 times in a row.
Huh.
Oh, I like how the track just restarted.
You missed bullets on the right. Why did you miss these things? This is why you're
Oh,
not.
son of a bitch. Okay.
Maybe you're getting kind of okay at this game. Bottles. Eat bottles.
I don't know what
What if you can make Molotovs?
Maybe. It could be. So far, I like this game, though. Grenades. I wish I knew how to use them. They're probably like ZRX. Oh, F2. There we go. Or Q.
And Q.
I guess not.
You enable with F2,
Oh.
and now you use Q.
One dead. Are you kidding me? He ran right over it. He's like, oh no, a grenade, better run at it.
Oh wow, this will be the time.
Oh, I beat them all. Yay. I am the best. I am the girl gamer extraordinaire. Do not challenge me. Man. Should we end the video before we land? Oh, it's too late. Now that we've quelled the bandit threat, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye. You have to.